The year is 2025, and something crazy is happening. People are making money without employees, without offices, without even leaving their bedrooms. Their secret? AI automation. Every day, thousands of new creators, freelancers, and small entrepreneurs are quietly using AI to build businesses that run almost on autopilot. Some of them are teenagers, some are parents, some are people who lost their jobs and decided to reinvent themselves. And today, you're about to see 10 powerful AI automation ideas you can start from home. Ideas that don't need coding, don't need investors, just creativity, a laptop, and a bit of courage. So let's begin. Imagine running a YouTube channel that posts new videos every single day without you ever filming, editing, or even recording your voice. That's the magic of AI automation. Here's how people are doing it. Script writing. They use ChatGPT or Jasper.ai to generate video scripts. Voiceovers. They use 11 Labs or Play.ht for ultra-realistic voices. Video creation. They feed it all into tools like InVideo AI or Pictory.ai, and the video is done. Then they schedule it with automation tools like Hootsuite or Zapier. And boom, daily uploads, even while they sleep. One real example, a guy named Nick from Florida started a faceless channel called AI Wonders. He posted one video a day about future tech, all AI made. Within 6 months, he crossed 200,000 subscribers and now earns around $3,000 a month in ad revenue. All from his bedroom. E-commerce isn't new, but what's new is running an entire online store without lifting a finger. AI chatbots now handle customer service, upsells, refunds, and even product recommendations. Tools like ManyChat plus Shopify plus ChatGPT API can create an AI shopping assistant that talks to customers 24/7 while you sleep. One small boutique owner in Texas automated her entire clothing store. She said, "My AI bot replies to 80% of messages before I even wake up." Revenue went up, stress went down. This is the future of small business. Personalized, automated, and honestly, effortless. Every business needs content. Blogs, captions, newsletters. But honestly, most can't afford full-time writers. That's where AI content automation agencies come in. People are now creating agencies that deliver 100% AI-assisted writing. And, clients don't even care, because all they want is results. Here's the workflow. Use ChatGPT or Notion AI for first drafts. Then use Grammarly and Quillbot to polish. After that, just deliver with a human touch. You can charge $200 to $500 per article and automate about 80% of the process. Real example. Sarah from LA runs a one-person agency called WordPilot. She makes around $7,000 a month using ChatGPT, Copy.ai, and a few automation tools. All she does? Manage, edit, deliver. Design used to take hours, now it takes minutes. With tools like Midjourney, Leonardo.ai, and Canva Magic Studio, you can create entire branding packages, logos, mockups, posters, automatically. Many freelancers now sell AI-generated brand kits on Fiverr and Etsy. They just automate prompts and tweak the final results. One creator built a luxury brand logo generator using Midjourney and Notion forms. Clients fill in their business vibe, elegant, modern, or bold, and AI designs a logo instantly. He earns around $1,500 a week and says he spends just 30 minutes a day managing orders. That's AI-powered design. Fast, scalable, beautiful. You've heard AI voices in YouTube videos, but did you know people are using them to build voiceover businesses too? With tools like 11 Labs, Play.ht, and Revoicer, you can clone your own voice or create characters and sell professional voiceovers for podcasts, audiobooks, and ads. One single mom from Canada turned her spare room into a mini studio. She sells AI-narrated audiobooks on ACX, which is Amazon's platform. Each project brings her $300 to $600, and she does it all part-time. She says, "AI gave me my dream job and the freedom to do it from home." Millions of people are applying for jobs, and honestly, most struggle to write the perfect resume or LinkedIn profile. That's where AI resume automation comes in. You can build a simple service using ChatGPT, Notion forms, and Canva templates. Clients just fill out their details, and in minutes, AI generates a personalized resume and LinkedIn bio. Then, you review, polish, and deliver. People on Fiverr are charging anywhere from $50 to $200 per order, and, believe it or not, many are fully booked for weeks. It's not just about text, it's transformation. Education is one of the biggest industries AI is transforming right now. You can use ChatGPT, Pictory, and 11 Labs to create educational videos, mini-courses, or explainers automatically. For example, AI for Beginners or How to Use Canva Magic Studio. You can sell these on Udemy, Gumroad, or through YouTube memberships. One teacher from India made $20,000 in 3 months by automating course content creation. He just types topics. AI handles the rest: slides, narration, visuals. This is passive income, powered by knowledge and automation. Imagine offering businesses a service where their Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube run automatically, and you manage it all from one dashboard. Tools like Metricool, Buffer, ChatGPT, and OpusClip can create a full automation chain, generate content ideas, create captions, edit and repurpose videos, and schedule uploads automatically. You can sell packages like $300 per month, full AI-powered social media management. Many agencies now run completely remote, using AI assistants for every part of their workflow. This one's sneaky, but powerful. You create a niche blog, let's say AI tools for students. You write AI-generated articles using ChatGPT and Surfer SEO. You use affiliate links to tools like Grammarly, Jasper, or Notion AI. Each time someone buys through your link, you get paid. You can automate the entire site. AI writes posts, auto-poster uploads daily, and analytics track performance. There's a guy in Seattle running 12 of these. He earns around $5,000 per month with just automation and smart SEO. And finally, one of the most underrated ideas: AI virtual assistant services. You build AI workflows that help small businesses handle emails, scheduling, data entry, and customer support. Use tools like Zapier, Notion AI, and ChatGPT API to build automation pipelines. You don't need to code, just know what tasks to connect. You can offer AI assistant setup for $500 to $2,000 per client. It's like being a digital manager, but smarter, faster, and fully automated. You don't need a fancy office to build something powerful. You don't need investors, you just need to start. AI isn't taking jobs, it's changing how we work. These 10 ideas are not fantasies, they're happening right now. From YouTube channels to e-commerce, from blogs to automation agencies, people around the world are turning laptops into full-time businesses. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time, this is it. Because by 2030, automation won't be optional. It'll be the new normal. And those who start learning now will be the ones leading tomorrow. AI isn't replacing humans. It's rewriting what humans can do.